These are the Rokid AI Glasses Style, and they are packed with features. They can do things that the Ray-Ban Meta Gen 1, Gen 2, and even the $800 display glasses cannot do. And these glasses are cheaper. So I've been testing these for the past 2 weeks, and I feel like I keep learning new things that you can do with these glasses. This is gonna be a pretty packed video. So let's just start off with one that was so impressive to me. So the Rokid AI Glasses Style actually uses Microsoft Translator to translate different languages, which means that it can translate more languages than the Ray-Ban Meta glasses. For reference, those glasses can translate 6 languages, and guess how many languages the Rokid AI display glasses can translate? 89 languages, and you can actually download some of them to be available offline. For example, Japanese. While I was at GDC a few weeks ago, I found myself in a group with some Japanese developers who didn't really speak any English, and I was able to use the Rokid AI Glasses Style to be able to listen in on the conversation, which was pretty cool. The way that the translation works on these glasses is that it will auto-detect the language that's being spoken, and it will translate it in the accompanying Rokid app so you can read the text. And it will also have a voice translation going through the speakers on these glasses. There is a really convenient and beautiful thing that these glasses can do in terms of translation, which is you can press and hold with 2 fingers on the side of the glasses, and it will auto translate any text that's in front of you into your desired language. Let me show you a demo. Here is the phrase, and I'm just gonna press and hold on the side to auto translate.
The Tagalog phrase "ay nako" translates to "oh my" or "oh dear" in English. It is a common interjection used to express a wide range of emotions, including frustration, exasperation, or surprise. It is often the perfect verbal reaction when you are feeling a bit overwhelmed or just need to let out a little sigh.
Okay, that was a much more thorough explanation than I thought it would give. I thought it would just give like a one word or, direct translation. That's pretty good. The next feature that I just love about these glasses is the camera. If you have followed Ray-Ban Metas at all, everyone has always wanted horizontal recording. Well, the Rokid AI Glasses Style can record in horizontal. It can also record in square or in vertical. You could change the setting in your phone. The camera is 12 megapixels and it looks great. I'm actually going to throw some comparisons on the screen for you. So here I'm putting my phone case on my Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7, and you can see the comparison in footage, the quality of the footage from the Rokid glasses compared to something like my DJI gimbal, which is meant for recording. And I think it looks pretty great. Now we need to talk about the AI on these glasses because this is pretty top notch. It is actually quite impressive. The Rokid AI Glasses Style is intended to be your everyday AI assistant. It's actually the first smart glasses that uses both ChatGPT and Gemini. Depending on what you ask it, it will automatically figure out which AI to use to accurately answer your question. And it has been very impressive. So we can test out a couple of questions. Hi, Rokid. Can you tell me about the AI on these glasses?
The AI on your Rokid glasses is designed to feel like a calm, clever partner sitting right on the bridge of your nose. A few key points. It helps you see and understand the world, recognizing objects, translating text, guiding you, and controlling apps hands-free. It listens for natural language, so you can talk to it the way you talk to a person. It's optimized for clarity and safety. If you want, I can explain how it hears you, how it sees things, or how it processes information.
Okay, so let's just compare the AI with the Rokid glasses with the Ray-Ban Meta glasses real quick. So I'm gonna do the same phrase, which is this one. Hey Meta, can you translate this phrase?
ANAKO translates word for word to "oh my" in English. It's a Tagalog interjection used to express surprise or frustration.
Okay, that's not too bad, but you can see that it's not as detailed, and also it's pronounced Ainako. Hi, Rokid.
No worries.
Give me some prompts, or like what are some questions I can ask you that really show off how cool you are?
Think of these as show me what you can really do starters. They're friendly, practical, and fun to try with your glasses. Here's some good ones. What's in front of me? Translate the text ahead of me. Help me understand how this object works. Guide me to the nearest coffee shop. Explain this like I'm a beginner, now like I'm an expert.
One of the really incredible things with the Rokid glasses is that there's a lot of different customizable ways to engage with your glasses without needing to do a voice command. So if I just press and hold on the side of the glasses, that will start AI, which kind of makes me feel like a spy. Let's try another question that's a little bit more, let's say, current. Can you tell me factual things that happened in the last week? Just give me like the top 3 things that I should know.
I'll search for the most important news from the past week to give you accurate, factual information. Here are the top 3 things you should know. 1. China's economic opening. Chinese Premier Li Qiang pledged to further open China's economy to foreign firms and pursue more balanced trade, addressing ongoing trade tensions with the US and EU. March 22. 2. French elections. Mayoral.
So as you can see, it can answer a lot of different questions, and it answers it really well and can pull current information, which is awesome. There's other features on this as well. So you can do audio recording. In your phone app, you can have it generate a summary of that audio recording. So say you're in a meeting, or you can also have the full transcript of that meeting. To demonstrate the meeting feature, I watched this scene while listening with my Rokid glasses. This is the Project Hail Mary scene. This is what it looks like in the app, and you can press generate summary. So it'll go ahead and generate the summary. And then there's also a generate transcription. So you can generate the entire transcription as well. Like I mentioned, there's a ton of different customizations that you can do to interact with your glasses. So I'll go ahead and show a screenshot here instead of talking through all of them. Rokid can not only answer your questions and take meeting or voice notes for you and summarize them, but it can also give you reminders. It can give you directions using Google Maps. And to enable this, you can either say, hey Rokid, or you can press and hold with a single tap on the side of the glasses. So there's a lot of really great things that I've mentioned, and I'm pretty sure there's a ton more that I have not yet experienced. Obviously, they're not perfect. I'm gonna give you some of the cons towards the end, but first let's talk about battery life. Battery life on these glasses are up to 12 hours. They actually last a very long time, and they're definitely truly an all-day wear type of glasses. Weight-wise, these are super light. They're some of the lightest smart glasses that I have ever worn. They are 38.5 grams without any lenses, and then with lenses, they are still lighter than the other leading glasses in the market. There is only one style of these glasses. They do have different lenses available. Mine just happen to be the sunglasses. All right, so now let's get into price and talk about some of the cons of this glasses. The price of these glasses are $299 on Amazon and on the Rokid website if you're based in the US. However, they do have a sale that brings the price to $279. And if you use my $20 off code, that gets you an additional $20 off, bringing the total to $259. I have a different code for the Rokid website and for Amazon. So make sure to check the description for those below. Prescription lenses are fully supported, and they actually sell them on their website for a very reasonable price. With the price, you do get the glasses and also the case. This case is not a charging case. If you wanted to buy the charging case, that's an additional $99. I do like that the pricing is modular. That way, if you just wanted to save as much money as possible, you can just buy the glasses with this case. One con I will mention is that the charger for this is not a standard USB-C. This is what the charging port looks like. And so it is a custom charger that you need to bring separately, especially if you travel. The other con is obviously it's this shiny gloss material, and unfortunately it does smudge. One of the cons that I haven't heard anyone else talk about is that when you do use these glasses for taking photos or videos, it has a very loud shutter sound. That was the sound for the camera, and here's the sound for the video recording.
Video recording has stopped.
I tried to see if you can turn off the sound of the shutter or anything. You cannot. You can't even lower independently. To have the sound be lower, you'd have to lower the overall volume of the glasses. But all in all, I think these glasses are extremely practical. They have so many features that I have been wanting in smart glasses, and they look pretty good as well. Now, Rokid has several glasses in their ecosystem. They have their display glasses, which are the Rokid AR Spatial, and I've reviewed those. And I'll post the video link here and also in the description below. And they also have display glasses. So these do not have displays in them. They are the true Rokid AI Glasses Style. And again, I will link them in the description below. So what do you think of these glasses? Are there any smart glasses features that you hope to see in the future? Let me know in the comments below, and I will see you next time. Bye!